Time for some co-oping. So, yep, the co-op is legit. I'm gonna not know how to do this. Let's go. Okay. So I'm learning. Time to do like a lost splits. Let's go. I will fly. Yeet.
I hate my own voice.
Okay, anybody have any technical difficulties with your microphones or with Screencast-Matic?
Yeah, well, I don't have a...
Okay, you just have it's blocked.
Can I delete this? Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I did more.
Make sure you make your recordings.
Let's sit them and
Anybody
walk.
else have any problems with my blockage or anything? No. You're just well, okay. Can you hit that user override button for me?
Okay. Flip season.
Alright, everybody else good? Dan, you gotta talk a lot, remember?
Yep. So let's see.
I will not accept this assignment. I'm looking for like 5-ish minutes.
This is gonna be fun.
For about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, there's a back hardware cabinet. In a box. So feel free to dig around back there. No, it's 2 hats with a CD.
Gosh dang it.
Oh, let's go. See, now all you need now
Alright,
is
please refrain from swearing in your screencast and stuff.
yay, yay. Why will be such a slay? Try hard.
Exemplar for the update class.
What should I do?
Easy. 2.5 meters. Easy.
Very last thing to do is,
This is how you do it. Go full sweat mode. Go full sweat mode. Go full sweat mode.
I'm not that good.
You want me to send you with passives multimedia?
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Upstairs now. Or you can just email CJ right now and...
Yeah, I know, but like,
Oh, ooh. 2.3. Okay.
You want me to send you up there so you can help with this experience? Trevor's in that class. No,
Ouch. Yep. Okay. Let's continue. Let's continue.
here, I'll wait. I emailed,
but there might be good people in there right now, you know?
Ooh, lake shake, lake shake.
What do I do with it?
I have a bunch of people on the project.
Okay, I'm trying too much right there.
Cameras are...
Go.
No, not that one. My office. Probably
Come on. Yeah, it'd be a hard work cabinet. I can guarantee that, because I also was the one who put him away. While continuously doing the screen cap. Oh my. Could you? No, don't go backwards. No. You don't go backwards. That's not how you win a race. No, that's how you win every race. You just go backwards. I don't know what I'm talking about, apparently. Oh. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Making some progress. Making some progress. No. Not backwards progress. No.
I get that, Billy, and I've heard it, and I totally agree with you. However, we're under a few other...
Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, Eduardo, can you help when you're done?
Oh, ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, best round 2019. Let's go. Let's go.
You guys, you can pause your screencast just a
Yep.
You can.
And I'm making some progress because I finally learned some fine tricks. Let's go. Let's go. Yeet.
Which of my 17 YouTube channels that I've used to subscribe to PewDiePie should I submit? By the way, miss, have you subbed to PewDiePie?
Oh my god.
Why?
I'm not gonna participate in that race either. You fools.
Gosh dang it.
Oh, let's go. 10 meters accomplished. Let's go. Let's go. I finally learned a little trick. Too easy. How many meters do you have to go initially? Oh my god. Oh boy, you're looking back at this in the recording. That's gonna be fun in my lifetime. Oh boy. Oh boy. Because I do rewatch half my content. No matter what channel I'm on. Let's go. 13 or so meters. I've learned 14 meters. Fingers are getting tired. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, miss, how do I resume the recording? I paused?
There should be this
Whoa.
red pause button.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The truth of a genius. The truth of a
Alright, I'm
genius.
gonna go in random order to call you guys up.
What do you have to search in order to
Oh, 17 meters. 17 meters. Let's go.
I just always open
No,
it up.
no. Forward progress.
Hey, our new folks.
Let's go. 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 I'm finally learning the tricks of the game. Oh no. Forward progress. Let's go. 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 20-meter accomplishment. I am too good at this video game. You may as well ban me from it. Ban me from this video game.
Just after I delivery.
Ban me from this video game. I am too good at cheap tricks.
So at any point, like, you can get stuck on that, or you can top it. It doesn't have to
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. Forward progress. Let's go.
Alright, so let's take a look here. So, the mini math projects for
Let's
third
go.
semester, that's
23 meters. I am done. I'm good. Bye. Get out of here.